Hello, I am Jenny. I am a newbie in this neighborhood. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Jenny. I'm Sophie. It is nice to see you in person. I saw your workers yesterday. They were helping you move the stuff into the house when I passed it. How are you doing?
I am great. I just baked some cakes and am about to walk around the neighborhood to say hello to everyone. I start with your house.
Yes, I know. Seeing we live next door, I am not surprised that my house is your first stop.
You have a sense of humor. Please pick your cake. Which one do you like?
Oh, come on, Jenny. Please come in. We will talk first.
Okay, thank you. Wow, your house is amazing.
Thank you for your kind words. My husband is an architect. He loves designing houses. He wants to make our home unique and well organized.
Yes, it is. How long have you been living here, Sophie?
About 8 years, I think so.
What a long time. I have never lived more than 2 years in any place. I love moving around to change my point of view.
I used to be like that when I was young, but now as a 40-something woman, I want something stable and peaceful.
Is that the reason why you picked this community?
Yes, people around here are really friendly. They always give me a hand when I need some help. You will see later. So, why did you move here?
As I told you, I want to change my living atmosphere, and this place is quite silent, which gives me some space to do what I love.
What do you love to do?
Petting and planting.
Wow, which animal do you own?
Many different types, but most of them are dogs. I have 4 bulldogs, 6 bulldog, and 5 Chinese Shapei.
There are so many dogs. How about other types?
Besides dogs, I also have a pair of parrots, 3 kittens, 2 coppers, and a little monkey, which I just adopted last week from the animal shelter.
There is no doubt why I saw so many animal cages in front of your house yesterday.
Do you think other neighbors will be okay with that?
Sure, as long as your pets do not hurt anyone, then it is just fine. Don't be worried.
You know what? My old neighbors were terrible. They complained to the police officer that my dog bit one of their kids. But it were not true. My dog would never do that. They are well trained and behave.
Oh, really? I hope nothing serious will happen here since we have been living in peace for a long time. I don't want anything to be changed. Regarding your plants, I think the neighborhood would love them because we are trying to make the area greener.
Sure, I will take good care of my plants. Now, please pick your cake. Which one do you like? I have brownies, a gingerbread man, and some chocolate biscuits.
Some brownies seem like a good choice to me. Thank you so much for coming in. Don't hesitate to ask me if you need anything.
Thanks a million. Now I must leave and move to another house. Bye, see you later.
Hello, may I help you with something, ma'am?
Oh, hi, my name is Jenny. I am your new neighbor. I am delighted to see you.
Oh my goodness. Are you the one who just moved to Mr. William's house?
Yes, I am. Is there anything wrong with that?
No, nothing. I just did not think that anybody could buy and live in that house.
I did not buy the house. I just renting it for a long term. But why didn't you think nobody would move in?
Please come inside first. I'm cooking. We can stay for lunch. My son went to school already. Nobody is home except me and my dog.
Oh, that little cute dog. It is so beautiful.
Thanks, the dog is sick right now. The doctor is coming in the afternoon. He said my dog probably needs animal therapy.
What happened to the dog?
Do you want some tea?
Yes, Mrs. Are you a teacher?
Yes, I am. I teach at Orange County Public School. Here's your tea. Please enjoy it.
Thanks. It smells very good. Please tell me about your poor dog. It has been looking at me without blinking for a while now.
How can I tell you about that night? Did you talk to Mr. William before?
No, I didn't. I just talked to his daughter. She said that her dad was not feeling well at that time and wanted to move to live with her.
Yes, he's not feeling well because he is busy getting away from a murder.
A murder? What?
Yes, his wife. Some people believe that he killed his wife on the night that she went home earlier than what she said. Nobody knows what she saw, but they heard her scream and then the ambulance siren.
Oh my goodness, nobody told me about that.
Yes, some even said that there was another woman in the house when everything happened. Hey, poor her. Mr. William's wife is my best friend ever. We usually talk together in the afternoon. She told me that her husband was changing, but I did not care about that much. I wish I could do something for her.
Oh no. That is so scary. Was there any witness to the crime?
Yes, my dog. He saw everything. I don't know why he ran to Mr. Williams' house that night. But after that, he could not bark anymore. He stopped eating and drinking for a week. Now he's feeling better, but we still need some healing.
Unbelievable. Do you know who that woman was in the house at that time?
Can you keep it as a secret just between you and me?
Yes, of course. I can swear to God. I will say nothing, not even have a word. You can count on me.
I think that was Sophie. I saw her running out of the house in the dark. Maybe I was wrong, but more than 80% of that was her.
Sophie? I just talked to her a couple of minutes ago. She said nothing. Oh my gosh.
Of course she told you nothing. What do you expect her to tell you? That she was a killer? No, I don't think so.
That was shocking. I need to go back and think about it. Thank you, Miss Michelle. You can take all the case.
Okay, Jenny, think about it. If I were you, I would move out of that house very quickly.
Thanks for your advice.